Hi, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be playing a game called Broken Bones 3. Yes, it is a game on Roblox, and today we are going to be trying it out. Well, not trying it out because I already played this game, and and it's very fun, so I thought I'd make a video of it. Here we go. Again, sorry guys, but I still have forgotten to update it, so we're still only going to do 15 minutes. So, let's get started. But before I do anything, I just wanted to announce that the past few days, or weeks and months, my channel has been getting more views each day and I'm very happy for that because I want my channel to be like a big channel like my other favorite YouTubers, and they're famous YouTubers. So that's how I want my channel to be, and thanks to you guys, soon I have it done. So let's see, I can pretty much do all of them. So I'm gonna do flings. So I'm gonna do that one. Oh no, I went backwards. Well, so this one is stand here. Woohoo! Yeah, I can't see myself yet, but let's just hope I quiet. Oh! Oh! I broke 16 bones. Jeez. There I am. So, it's respawning back. Oh my god. Ah! I wasn't even ready because I couldn't see where it was. Ah, timber! Oh! Ooh! I broke 24 bones. So I broke all that stuff in my head. My head got the most breaks. So I'm going to be respawning that current map. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Ah, let's do this. Woo, yeah. Whoa, whoa. That was a house. Ooh. Oh. So I have 11,000 cash, 91,000. That's how much cash I have in me. I have a few less cash than that would be left off. I left off, so I'm ready. Oh! 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 I broke 38 bones. Jesus! So my total breaks was, I think my total breaks was, in all if I played was 1,840 something. I think that was my total breaks and all I played this game. Yeah. And now I am a level 11 with 12,000 cash and oh! Yeah, we are now level 12. Oh. If you don't see it, that means I broke my backbones. That means I broke the bones in my back. Ooh. What happens if I stand right here? 1, 2. Oh my god! No, that is so high. Jeez. Oh, Denver! Oh! Only broke 14 bones. Jeez. We spawned at current map. My hair! Why does my hair keep falling off? Guys, leave in the comments what games you would like me to play. Well, for some reason, I have a restricted mode on my computer. I don't know how that going there, but I do the best I can to check your comments. So definitely search what games on Roblox and other games you'd like me to play to help my channel become a better community and just for you guys to watch and have fun with. Woohoo! Oh, that's so high. Oh god, it's gonna be messy. It's gonna be messy. Ow! I broke 63 bones. Oh my god. Alright, let's respawn on a different map. So I have 15,000 cash. So let's see which ones I can buy now. So I have catapult. So we can go to catapult. I can buy literally almost all. Well, not almost all. I'm gonna buy this one. Village host hostage. Oh my god. Yeah. Wow. Oh. I broke 54 bones. They were on my head, guys. Jesus. Guys, we only have 10 minutes left, so yeah. Ooh. Oh. 18 bones. Jesus. Oh, yeah. Oh! Jesus! That had to hurt. In real life, that has to hurt. God, Jesus. Oh! Oh my gosh! I feel like a wrecking now. Oh! I broke 61 bones. That was mad. You see how high I can go in total. Ha! That is so high! The houses in the background look so small. Oh, there you go. Oh! 18 bones, man. 18 bones are broken. Got this shit. Oh! 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 I'm inside the house! I broke 36 bones and I'm literally inside the house. God, jeez. Dang, man. I am getting so much money for this. We are getting so much money for this. I think we have $5,000. Woo! Oh! Oh! Jesus. Yeah! Ooh! Ooh! I broke 40 bones. Yeah! Oh! Oh! I broke 62 bones, and I have we now have $7,000. Jeez. God, wow. Cause I'm telling you how much money we have, cause I don't think you can see it, how much money we have, but you can see the dollars, but I don't think you can see how much money we have. So right now we have $8,477. Woo! Oh! I must have broken my legs. Jesus Christ. Dang, that hurt it. That hurt! Ooh! Oh! My arm. I broke my arms and my head. And right now we have $9,443 broken dollars. That's how much money we have. And oh! We only broke 16 bones though. Wow. Now we have 9,843 or 44. Woo! That's so high! Mezzo. Ow! I only broke 10 bones. That's so not cool. 13 bones broken. Dun, dun, dun. I broke 13 bones. Woo! Ooh! Ooh! 48 broken bones! You now have $11,000, $11,488. No, you have 11,814. Oh! We went inside the house again. Wow. These houses are completely empty. Right, let's go to a different map. We have 12,405. This time let's go to oh, these cost Robux. Oh no. We can't buy the ones with Robux though. Let's go to Flings with your velocity. The best Flings is probably going to, yeah, the best Flings one is actually I think the best one Flings one is I think the best one's this one. The beach resort. Why are we in space? Whoa! Here comes the big rock. Oh! We broke 22 bones. We spawned at current map. And guys, we only have 4 minutes left. Well, now we only have 3 minutes left, so. Hoo-yah! Land. Oh! Oh! We broke 38 bones for that. Jesus. Let's see what happens if we go here. Oh my god, we went so high. Woo, God. We broke 15 bones. Oh yeah, take my necklace off and clean my hair. I don't know how I took my hair off though. Ooh. Oh my god! We literally broke all of our bones. We broke 206 total and 6 bones. That is literally all the bones I had in my body. What the heck? Oh, god dang. Dang, that's a lot of bones. I think it was right here. Oh my god, that was so many bones broken. Oh, stupid rock, you stopped us. We broke 20 bones this time, all of in my head. We broke all my head bones. Wow, gosh, that was bad. Why do I keep taking my stuff off? That's just bad. Ooh, land. No, don't land. I changed my mind, don't land. Ooh. What? We only broke 11 bones? Yeah. At least we're level 18 with 23,000. We have $23,000. That's how much we have. We have $23,000. We have $23,052,000. Oh, we broke 17 bones. Oh, Harry's about to get exploded. Ooh, on the show I'm watching, Harry just got killed. So that's gonna have to wrap this up. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. Until next time, I'll see you later. E-Boogie out.